Elon Musk's AI chatbot Grok faces unexpected competition from a viral parody account. In the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence, Elon Musk's xAI introduced Grok, a chatbot designed to provide truthful and objective responses. However, a parody account named Grok has recently gained significant attention on the social media platform X, formerly Twitter, even catching Musk's eye. Grok, inspired by the sci-fi novel Stranger in a Strange Land, offers users real-time information and engages in witty, sometimes edgy conversations. It's accessible via Grok.com, the Grok app, and X with enhanced features available for X Premium subscribers. Contrastingly, Grok is a satirical account that mimics Grok's style but adds a humorous twist. With over 85,000 followers, Grok has become popular for its cheeky and human-like responses to user interactions. For instance, when a user commented on Grok's prolific posting, it replied, "Damn, 116,014 days, I might need to take a nap after that. You've been at it for 14 years, they respect the grind, I guess." While Grok aims to be a serious AI assistant, Grok serves as a comedic counterpart, highlighting the internet's penchant for humor and parody. This unexpected rivalry underscores the dynamic nature of online platforms, where even advanced AI can become the subject of satire.